There, this is a general overview of your cell cycle project. Cell cycle project is located under Chapter 10 in the Chapter 10 measurement topic, and this is going to show what we're working on right here. Basically what you're doing is you're creating a cell cycle stop motion animation, and as part of that, basically what you have to do is you are going to create a stop motion movie that explains the process of the cell cycle. This will be an optional group project. If you want to work alone, you can work alone. If you want to work with one other person and one other person only, you can work with another person. You can create your own group. I don't really care about those things. Obviously, choose someone who you would work well with, but this is an optional project. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with number one is you're going to go to Chapter 10, Section 2. You want to get a good overview of what the cell cycle is. So you want to read the chapter first, and you want to look at the chapter, maybe fill out your study guide. That might help. But what you're going to do is you are going to receive this piece of paper right here. You guys can't see me. You're going to receive this piece of paper right here. This piece of paper is what you are going to use to storyboard your project. And what I mean by storyboard is it basically gives you a script as to what you're going to do. You're going to do two things with this piece of paper. You are going to draw what is happening, and you are going to give at least a 2-sentence description of what is happening there at that step. This will function as your script. Do not lose this. This is your script. You cannot grab any yarn until this is done. You're going to want to grab colored pencils to draw your pictures, so you have the different things right there. So two things again, draw a picture of what's happening, and then also at least 2 sentences that are describing what is happening. This is going to function as your script. When you have this completely done, 2 sides, you are going to give this to the sub, and the sub is going to distribute you yarn, and it will give you the yarn for the project. So speaking of yarn, here's what you're going to get. And I've labeled this on the website and also labeled it to the sub. You are going to get multiple pieces. You are going to get the red piece is going to be your cellular membrane. I forgot. Light blue is going to be your nuclear membrane. The yellow is going to be your spindle fibers. The yellow can be cut up. Any of these pieces can be cut up to... I'm supposed to show the video. Any of these pieces can be cut up for your liking. You can have 3 random colors after that, and of those 3 random colors, these are going to be your chromosomes or chromatin, and also sister chromatids and all that good stuff. That's what these 3 colors are going to be. This is going to be your choice because we have a lot of different color yarns. If you get this, forget it. It's going to be listed on the Moodle website. So from there, what you're going to do is you're going to create a stop motion animation video. And what I have done is I have created multiple videos that show you exactly what you're going to need to do. So you're going to take pictures of the cell, and you're going to use Photo Booth. There is a video. This is a kind of a good setup right here with a couple biology books. And then there is a little video right here that teaches you how to do stop motion animation and how to take pictures. And so with stop motion animation, what you're doing is you're taking a lot of pictures with just slight subtle movements that are happening with the animation. So just a little bit of movement, take a picture, 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 and so forth. You're going to have a ton of pictures, and that's fine. The more pictures, the smoother the animation is going to be. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to transfer them on over to iMovie. So to transfer to iMovie, watch this video right here. Then you have to remove the Ken Burns effect and change the clip duration. Watch this movie right here. Then you got to record your audio. Watch this movie right here. And then lastly, you have to line the audio up to the pictures. Watch this movie right here. There's screencasts that show you how to do all of this stuff. Lastly, I want to show you an example of a good one that a student did last year, and I'll point out things as it's happening. And so here it is. This is a great project that they did. They're narrating behind it, and I'm turning it off. But what they have in the background is they have a label of what the phase is. This is really good. Make a label for each phase. You can use a little piece of scrap paper. You can fold something over like that. That's fine. Really, really helpful. You can see this is stop motion animation. There's slight movements that are happening. They're describing in the background with their audio what is happening at this step. You can see that our chromatin is condensing down to chromosomes. Things are moving. They're getting cut up. They're getting moved around. It's all good. That's what they're doing, and this is kind of what I'm looking for as part of your project. They did a really good job. So good luck with this project. Enjoy the project, and I will see you guys when I get back.